Maganda gabi mga Karizar! What's up mga Karizar?
Sinabihan ko na rin talaga sila, really, I truly want a trial because I want a bloodbath talaga.
Genuine Buntan. Ma'am, regarding sa result sa senatorial candidates, ma'am, ano tingin niyo magiging takbo ng impeachment trial, ma'am? How positive are you na, or confident are you na ma-acquit kayo, ma'am, sa impeachment trial sa Senate po?
Wala akong expectations of acquittal or a verdict guilty. Basta sa akin lang ay tinanggap ko na kung ano yung magiging verdict. Whether guilty man yon or acquittal, I'm already at peace. At hindi ko alam kung paano boboto ang mga senators. If at all there will be a trial, I think it is wrong to start counting votes now because they haven't seen evidence yet. They haven't seen what the prosecutors have. They haven't seen what our defense is. So, parang mali siguro na magbilingan ng boto ng walang trial. Pero, ginagawa siya ng publiko. So, basta sa akin, tanggap ko kung anong mangyayari, anong magiging ending noong impeachment.
Pero yung preparation po ng mga lawyers natin, kamusta po?
Lawyers, okay naman sila. In full throttle na yung kanilang preparations for the impeachment, and of course they would not want a trial as lawyers. Alam naman natin ang galawan ng mga abogado, no? Marami silang mga paraan sa batas as a legal recourse for their clients. But na nag-decide na lang sila, okay, i-impeach na lang natin ito siya without any evidence at all of wrongdoing, because nasa Commission on Audit ang lahat ng papers ng confidential funds. So, it's not true na ayaw ko sumagot. Wala silang tanong.
Anong dili nimo i-answer lang ang ilang pangutana sa confidential funds?
Yes, ma'am. Nag-attempt ko, ma'am. Actually, Tagalogin ko na lang yung sagot, ha. Actually, nagtataka ako sa narrative nila. There was one time, meron akong narinig na interview sa isang tao na nagsabi siya na, how can you support the Vice President when she refuses to answer the question about confidential funds? But if you can remember, umattend ako sa hearing ng House of Representatives. Una, umattend ako. I refuse to take an oath because wala naman sa rules nila. But wala silang tinanong sa akin, kung maalala nyo, i-review ninyo yung hearing. Not one question was asked of me. And then the next time na umattend ako para samahan yung mga personnel ng OVP na sumasagot naman, nasasagot din naman nila yung mga tanong. Tapos when I requested that I assist the personnel of the OVP, sabi nila hindi pwede pag hindi ka mag-oath, diba? So sabi ko, okay, let's do this. I'll take an oath. They never asked one question. So I do not understand saan nanggagaling yung sinasabi nila that I refuse to answer, because nandoon yung mga personnel ng OVP, lahat ng tinawag nila nandoon. In fact, kinulong pa nga nila si Yusek Laika Lopez. Nandoon ako. I protested sa kanilang anong tawag dyan? Sa kanilang rules na ang pinapagawa nila sa akin ay wala sa rules nila. And then the next time around, even if may protest ako sa rules nila, I said, okay, sige, if you want an oath, I'll give you an oath. But did they ask a single question? Wala silang tinanong sa akin. I-review nyo yun. Wala. So, hindi sa ayaw ko sumagot. Wala silang tanong during the hearings. And they met a dead end doon sa hearings nila na nag-decide na lang sila, okay, i-impeach na lang natin ito siya without any evidence at all of wrongdoing, because nasa Commission on Audit ang lahat ng papers ng confidential funds. So, it's not true na ayaw ko sumagot. Wala silang tanong. Kaya nga, di ba? Kaya nga sinasabi nila, mag-impeachment na lang tayo para masagot niya. And that is wrong. Di ba? Bakit ka naman mag-impeachment just to fish for wrongdoing?